Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the files and connection right. Open Apple Music and confirm the track or playlist you want. Make sure your device is authorized. On PC, enable iTunes or the app that can stream. On console, prepare your PC as a media server. Once done, connect both devices to the same network or use USB tethering so the game can access the stream. This reduces lag and permission issues before you move into in-game setup. Now you route audio into the game. If on console, run a DLNA/UPnP server pointing to your Apple Music RIP or a loud stream. If on PC, use a virtual audio cable to route Apple Music output into a capture or local server app. Once configured, open GTAV and go to the radio or audio settings to add a custom station or enable Script Hook V plugin that reads local streams. Make sure the stream URL or local server path is reachable by the game before continuing. Finish by launching the custom station in GTAV and confirming you hear Apple Music. Select the station in the in-game radio wheel and press play. You should hear your chosen playlist. If nothing plays, check firewall rules, DLNA/UPnP permissions, and that the virtual audio cable is selected as output and input where needed. If still failing, restart the game and devices. Test with a local MP3 to isolate network versus codec problems, and then retry the Apple Music stream.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.